Mr. Badger, what are you doing? Yes, I can see you've got a big roof over your head, but you're outside, so it's not going to keep you dry, is it? And you went shopping, and there was a canopy, a roof over your head, is that right? Yeah? Yes, I can see you in the conservatory, and there's a glass roof above your head keeping you dry. Yes, I can see that. What, and the shopping trolleys have a roof too? What are you doing with my Scrabble board game? That's a funny roof. Hello and welcome to today's awesome assembly. My name is Mr. Etherton and Mr. Badger... Mr. Badger, what are you doing? He's got a box on his head like a Ruth. Why have you got a box on your head, Mr. Badger? Hey? Anyway, today our assembly is going to be all about... What's that, Mr. Badger? What is it, Badger? What is it you want to show me? Oh, he wants to show me the story of Ruth. Okay, Mr. Badger. We will do a story about superheroine Ruth. That's Ruth, not Ruth. There's Ruth the person, and there's a roof over your head. I think Mr. Badger got a bit muddled up at times, don't you reckon? First of all, my special friend Lloyd from Brighton Hove City Mission is going to share with us a story all about Joseph. So look at the link below. You may remember that we looked at the story of Joseph a few weeks ago, and I had a sand tray and I dribbled sand over a light box. So do enjoy this story as told by Lloyd. Click on the link below. That's it. Click on the link below. That's right, Mr. Badger. Click on the link below.